What is a visual workplace? Let's start by saying, without a visual workplace, work can get risky, complicated, confusing, and very costly. Visual devices at work change all that. See this array of visual devices? The purpose of these visual devices is the same. It is to share information vital to the task at hand. Vital on and across all levels of the organization. That is what they are meant for. That is what they do. Workplace visuality in action on the production floor. In operations on the value-add level, operators target the visual where, often creating a 15 and sometimes a 30% increase in productivity, operator-led. Workplace visuality for work surfaces too, benches, shelving, on top of and inside of cabinets. A workplace that speaks. Visuality is a language, the language of work embedded into the physical environment. The words are the devices, and together they form the language, here for supervisors and managers. Associates benefit, of course, and so do their supervisors and managers, with visual scheduling, visual displays, KPIs, metrics that drive, and visual problem solving. They become capable leaders of improvement because they have structured in the details of their work and the details of their leadership through visuality. Same for executives, site managers, VPs, and GMs. Only these individuals have different work. Their work is in offices and boardrooms, planning sessions, and yes, also at Gemba. Seeing, understanding, deciding, inspiring, growing, leading. I call this visual leadership. Leaders using form and structure, visual devices, visual solutions to capture their executive function. Kanban is its own kind of language, like a dialect of visual solutions, visual pull systems. All material movement, quantity, replenishment, and storage can be perfectly captured in visual solutions. End of questions, end of mix-ups, end of costly confusions. Visual transparency, invented by a workforce that knows how to think visually. Another example of workplace visuality in action, visual standards. Your specs, your SOPs, without the binders. And again, without having to ask all those questions. That is, if you can manage to first find a person with the answers. All that disappears in a visual workplace. Making your standards visual is an early and an easy step. The visual machine. Accurate, complete, timely information at or very, very near the point of use embedded into the equipment itself. Let the machine speak. Solutions that share vital information at a glance without speaking a word, and invented by the combined strength of a maintenance team and machinists who know how to think visually. Visuality in action in offices, of course, combined with lean, the visual lean office, and healthcare. Let the hospital speak so nurses, doctors, technicians, the emergency room, surgery, everyone knows at a glance where, what, when, who, how many, and how to bring safety, health, and comfort to their patients. Production, material handling, scheduling, measurement systems, and quality. Speak, machinery, offices, hospitals, and bosses know and share vital information exactly, completely, and on time. What would it be like if everyone in your company did this? If everyone in your company knew how to think visually? What impact would that have on your bottom line and on your company culture? Let the workplace speak.